Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another set of new gadgets for you to explore. As always, the link to all the gadgets are in the video description. Without further ado, let's dive in. If you love your bike, and want to keep it away from any potential theft, this gadget may be what you have been looking for. As things are getting smarter nowadays, so does bike locks. Meet the Yeelock, which is a highly secure anti-theft lock for bikes. This disc brake lock system has two unlock methods. Either using a physical key to open it, or with your own fingerprint. Its fingerprint recognition is so advanced that it registers your fingerprint in less than half a second, with up to 16 different fingerprints that can be registered. Due to its light weight of just 230 grams and being pocket size, you will be able to carry it conveniently. Just clip the device onto the disc rotor, and a 1/4-inch lock pin will run through one of the cutouts to lock onto the disc. Price of this unique bike lock sits at $69 US. It is also waterproof, hence bad weather won't cause any sort of operation failure. If you want to have your own personal butler, perhaps there's a solution to that. This robot here will do anything you ask it to do, including asking for a ride to your office. Introducing the Loomo Personal Robot. The gadget is strong enough to handle anything or anyone, up to 200 pounds. As you glide through the streets, its self-balancing base is designed for a smooth and enjoyable ride. Once you have reached your destination and get off, its monitor will turn around and into a face on its LED screen. By giving voice commands or showing a particular gesture, this robot will take photos or videos of you. A built-in AI tracking feature is also available to track your movements without disregarding the various obstacles, such as people around or tables and chairs. The content it recorded will be available on your smartphone through its designated app. Price of this butler robot sits at $2,300 US. Additional features can also be applied, such as asking him to bring you your favorite weekly magazines. This PC accessory is like nothing you have ever seen before. It has the ability to greatly boost your productivity while you work. Meet the Edge, an ultra-slim design accessory for any type of computer that is mounted right at the back of your laptop or PC monitor. Your phone can be attached to the magnet, and becomes a second screen for your videos, notes or any other task instead of having another expensive and space-consuming monitor. Don't worry about the battery life of your phone, as the mount is compatible with Qi wireless charging, as well as iPhone MagSafe technology. There is also an included magnetic disc that snaps to the back of your phone for easy mounting. Users can adjust the mount to however they like, whether it's at the sides or at the top of your screen. Price of this accessory sits at $69 US. That includes a detachable light of 280 lumens for streaming and video conference. To survive in both the blazing summer or a chilling winter, an air conditioner and humidifier are needed. The Evachill by Evapolar is a combination of both devices in one single body. This gadget is so compact that you can literally carry it anywhere you want. With less than 7 inches on all sides, and shapes like a cube, it won't take much space on your desktop at all. Although it's small and being only 750 grams in weight, it is pretty powerful since it can cool the air within a 45-foot range, and has a battery life of up to 8 hours without refilling water while in humidifier mode. The cooling feature doesn't include any hazardous liquids to cool the air, and has built-in cartridge pads that prevents any bacterial growth. The Evachill sits at just $99 US. It even emits warm night light to help you sleep better. If you like to spend some time on the water by taking a boat, you may find it extremely inconvenient and expensive. Meet the solution to all those problems, introducing the inflatable rapid raft. This raft can be folded and be taken to anywhere you go, due to its light weight of less than 3 pounds. It was designed to fulfill various military operations for rapid deployment in just under 1 minute. To use the raft, unfold it, and scoop some air by opening it. After that, fold the creases to prevent any air from escaping. A one-way valve is also provided to maintain the air pressure when necessary. Hence, no fan or air blower are needed to inflate it, which brings reliability in emergency situations such as flooding. Price of this portable raft is priced at $339 US. Besides emergencies, you can also use it for fishing session, as the raft can handle a total weight of 400 pounds. Here is a smartphone accessory that will definitely amaze you. Meet the Power Vision S1. Thanks to its foldable design, the device can easily fit into any bags, and doesn't add much weight to it. Its built-in 3-axis stabilization provides a perfectly smooth footage in any condition while can be used in 2-mode, handheld mode or with its built-in stand, which is great for live streaming or video calls. If there is no one around to help you capture some videos, the S1 Smart AI tracking feature will turn itself into your own personal cameraman, following your movements within a 260-degree range by tracking faces, bodies and even specific objects. Other features such as hand gesture to control the camera, shooting videos horizontally and vertically are also available too. There is also a designated mobile app for video editing and share it on social media. Various magnetic accessories are also included, such as for wall mount or phone holder for your car. Besides that, it also acts as a 10-watt wireless charger and up to 18 watts if you use a USB-C cable, with a 4000 mAh battery. Price of this gadget sits at $226 and comes with 3 different colors. This special chainsaw will finally let you achieve the dreams of your own backyard. Introducing the powerful Jawsaw by Works. This uniquely designed chainsaw allows you to reach branches that are out of reach, with the capability to handle branches up to 4 inches in diameter, and is entirely powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. The mouth of chainsaw can wrap itself around branches while cut through them like butter, and without any kickbacks when compared to conventional chainsaws. A variety of attachments are also available for various type of tasks. The mouth of the chainsaw also ensures that your hands stay safe and far from any sharp blades. Its built-in auto tension system gives you the dexterity and control as you cut those annoying tree branches away. Price of this device sits at $140 and also comes with an automatic chain oiling to keep things working properly. Don't have enough room at the place you are currently staying at? Or that you want to work on tasks from your laptop, but doesn't want to get out of bed? This piece of furniture may be the solution for all your problems. Introducing the Evachill 2.5, which is an adjustable table that will turn your bed into any room you need. It has the tabletop space to accommodate several laptops, including their power cords, which are all retractable, and are neatly hidden in the legs. Additional cables or other accessories can also be stored in its built-in compartments. If you ever need to charge your phones, tablets and other electronic devices, there are some sockets and USB ports for that too. Experience while watching movies and videos will be greatly enhanced with its 2 built-in speakers, and adjustable LED lightings, which will turn your bed into a theater. Price of this unique furniture sits at $1,240. Besides bed, the Evachill 2.5 can also be compatible with sofa or a decoration stand leaning against a wall. This device may look like a typical power bank, but besides charging your phone with its powerful 12,000 mAh battery, it also works as a powerful UV sterilizer. After turning it on, simply wave this device over your keyboard, phone or even earbuds. For just 20 seconds, all the germs and bacteria will be gone. The built-in timer also lets you know when the sterilization process has been completed. Safety and health features are also available, such as when you flip the gadget around, it will shut off automatically to prevent your eyes from getting exposed to harmful UV light. Besides using it on tabletop items, you can also put it into your bag to disinfect all the stuff inside. 2 models are available for this product: the 3000 mAh and the 12,000 mAh battery. Price of this gadget starts at $49 and supports fast charging with a built-in flashlight available. As your car broke down by the side of the road, it would be extremely dangerous for unaware drivers to bump into you, especially when it's at night. Here is a device that will protect you from these unfortunate incidents from happening. Introducing the S-Lite, which is the world's most advanced emergency situation warning system on the road, that uses after-image technology to prevent any secondary accidents. The S-Lite features a rotating LED display that produces high-intensity light that can be seen from more than 200 yards away, while different messages or symbols can be projected at the push of a button. Setting up the device is super quick and easy. Simply just attach it to the body of a vehicle with a strong magnet, and push the on button. Price of this gadget sits at $69 US. Better get one soon, as it may be the device that can potentially save your life. Be sure to check out our other videos over here for more amazing gadgets, and hit the like and subscribe button, which will only take a few seconds to help the channel grow.